Oh, hey girl, hey. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on this smoky eye look that I did. I did post it on my Instagram, so if you are not following me, look at the bottom left corner and you will see my Instagram name. You can go ahead and follow me there. Please excuse my lace. I don't need nobody clowning me about my lace in the comments. I know it's white AF, but yeah, I was having a rough day this day. This is a day that my camera broke also. So, yeah, this was not a good day for me. But I still, I record the videos. I want to upload it for my peoples. Yeah, so this is a brand that I'm using. The palettes are from Copycat Cosmetics or Copycat Beauty. If you don't know who they are, there was this big, how should I put this? There was this big scandal because they were basically taking products that a lot of companies had put their time and their effort and their money into building, into making, and basically making some really quick copycats off of it. And they sold out so quick. They sold out so quick. The one girl, I think her name is Bad Baby. I know her first name is Danielle something, starts with a B. But she endorsed it, and they got a lot of crap. She got a lot of crap for endorsing it, but at the end of the day, the brand still sold out of their products. Jeffree Star still endorsed it, which gave them an even more big boost. And yes, I want to go ahead and try it for myself. I bought the 4 palettes. They mimicked Huda Beauty's, the little, I think they're like 6-pan eyeshadow palettes that she had. And I got all 4 of them. And I'm working with 2 today. I'm working with the Smoke Out palette and the Autumn palette. So let me go ahead and shut up so y'all can enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more videos so you'll be notified when I upload more videos. Love you guys. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Yeah, so I'm making a video on my phone because after recording the first part of this video, my camera lens just, I don't know, it started malfunctioning, so I had to order another one. So unfortunately this will be my last video until I do receive the camera lens, which would be on the 24th of this month. And I just did a review on these Copycat Cosmetics. I think they're really great for the price. They're really affordable. I wasn't expecting anything extravagant, but I think what I got from it was awesome. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and then hit the notification bell so you'll be notified on any videos I do upload. Thanks for watching. Bye.